Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Mounja Burn Pro Drops, or Mounja Burn Drops. So as you can see right here, they claim to, these are drops that they claim to burn your fat, so that's why they're called burn. So as you can see, there isn't a lot of information about this product here on Amazon, and as you can see, they're rated 1 star. If you go have into the reviews here, there's only about 1 review, and this person said it does nothing. And yeah, that basically says a lot. Their only reviewer is bad. So if we actually head on over here to Trustpilot, they're also rated 1.2 out of 5 stars, which is bad. So let's see all the reviews here. So let's head over to, let's read the review. So fraud, follow the directions. 0, I did not buy this crap. I wish I could give 0 stars. I was scammed out of $300. This is crap, don't waste your money. I wish I didn't have to hit 1 star. Scam alert, Mounja Burn my pocketbook. This is one big fat scam. Ask for a refund with a return. One big scam again, waste of money. So basically, a lot of people are saying bad things about this product, and the only reviewer they have on Amazon is bad. So please stay away from this product. It doesn't work, since a lot of people are saying that it does not. So please don't buy this product, and yeah, that is basically it. This product is a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.